Well, good morning, students. So, this lesson will be about plants. And if you are interested about plants and flowers, I think this lesson will be more interesting to know about it. So let's get started. First of all, I need to ask you a question here. Why are plants green? This is really interesting to know about it. So when you go to garden or park, you see in everywhere plants, right? And flowers also. Did you just think why these leaves are green? So I think this is interesting to know about it, right? So why there are no another color? For example, red, yellow, blue. Why exactly we have green here in these leaves? I think this question really interesting to know about it. So we will answer it in the video, okay? Or in this lesson. I need you to stop the video and discuss it with your family, with your friends. And after that, you can come back here and you will know the answer. Okay? We have another question here. What is your favorite flower? Okay, so for me, my favorite flower is rose. I think because rose is a symbol of love and it has beautiful shape. What about you? You can tell me about your favorite flower, okay? You can stop the video and you can also discuss it with your friends, okay? So let's continue. The first thing here we are going to take how to plant tomatoes. Okay, we have here in this photo the process to make tomato. Yes, step by step. The first thing here we can see a hand, right? This hand, what's it doing? It threw some of seeds inside what? Inside the soil, okay? And after that, what we see here, we see another hand water the planets, okay? Or water the seeds. After that, we can see the seeds turned into shoot. And after it turned into shoot, what it going to be? It's going to be leaf, right? And after that, the leaves going to be what? Going to be, right, bigger. And after that, what you can see here, we see flowers. And these flowers going to be tomatoes. So let's see these steps in details, okay? The first step here, number 1, tomatoes have seeds inside. That's right. You can go to your kitchen right now and bring a tomato, okay, and cut it half. You're going to see small seeds inside it. We can take these seeds, okay, and grow it. In the next step here, we can see that we can take the seeds and grow new tomatoes. That's right. So inside the tomato, we have seeds. We take these seeds and grow it again into what? Into the soil, and we can water it, right? That's right. So in the step number 3, we plant a seed and the plant grows. This is called germination, okay? So this process of taking a seed from the tomato, okay, and grow it again, we call this germination. So step number 4, we water the plant every day and the roots grow under the soil. That's right. So when we plant it every day, what's going to happen? The roots. Yes, so what is the meaning of roots? Roots here mean the things that grows under the soil, okay? These roots really important. Why? Because it gives the plant the food from where? From the soil. That's right. Step number 5, the plant grows flowers and the flowers become tomato fruits. That's right. We saw in the photo before a minute ago some flowers. These flowers turn it to tomatoes. Right, that's right. So we can know here also that tomatoes are fruits, not vegetables. Okay? I know this is new information for you, so please don't be shocked. So tomato are fruits. Tomatoes are fruits, not vegetables. So step number 6 here. Tomatoes are green before they are red. That's right. So before tomatoes be red and we can eat it, it's be green. I have a question for you here. Do you think that I can eat tomato when it be green? Do you think? I don't. Because when it be green, the taste of it will be not really good as when it be red. Okay? So when it be red, I know that it is good to eat it. That's right. So now we go and take plants. We have 3 kind of plants. So we have 3 kind of seeds also. The first kind we call it pollen seeds. So let's take a hint about it. A plant produces pollen in a flower. It uses pollen to make new seeds. The seeds travel away from the plant. It needs a new place to grow. So the first kind here, like I said before, we call it pollen. This pollen be inside the flower. Pollen here helps to make new seeds. And after that, these seeds travel away to find a new place to grow there. And we knew the ways to grow a plant. Okay? So the first of all we need seed, and after that it going to water, and after that this seed going to turn into shoot, and this shoot going to be leaves, and these leaves going to make flowers, and these flowers are going to make fruits. So let's take the step number 2, or the way number 2 to plant. So this way we use new kind of seeds, the wind seeds, or the seeds that stick to animals' fur. This kind of seeds, let's know about it hint. The seeds can move in the wind if they are light, or they can stick to an animal's fur, and they move and take the seeds with them. So this kind of seeds grow in 2 ways. The first way here, the wind take it from place to another, and the other way, it stick to animals' fur, and this animal take it from place to another to grow there. Okay, the way number 3, the float seeds. Let's take a hint about it. Other seeds can float on water, to find a new place to grow. These seeds are usually big and light. So this kind of seeds, or the kind to plant seeds, it is big, so it flows, okay, on the water and go from place to another to what? To grow there. So let's take some notes here, or one important note about the question that's which we talked a while ago, and it was, why are plants green? So the answer here will be chloroplastis is the answer. So what is the meaning of chloroplastis? Chloroplastis are cells that gives the green color to the plants. You can only see them with a microscope. These green plant cells, which are chloroplastis, make food for the plant. They use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. So chloroplastis here are what? Are very small cells, leaves on the leaf, okay, of the plant. It gives the plant what? It gives the plant three things very important: sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. And these three things really important for the plant, because it gives or help to feed the plant. So chloroplastis really important for the plant, okay? And the color of chloroplastis are green. So when I ask you, why are plants green? You will tell me because there are chloroplastis, and these chloroplastis are cells that gives the green color to the plants. Okay? How plants clean air? That is really important question here. So the answer will be in 3 steps. Okay? Step number 1, oxygen is very important for us to breathe. In big countries, because of cars and factories, there is a lot of carbon dioxide in the air, which causes air pollution. When we plant these trees and flowers, it gives us what? It gives us oxygen. So what is the meaning of oxygen? Oxygen here, what we breathe in, okay? So plants helps us to breathe. That's right. So what people breathe in, we call it oxygen, or what people breathe in, we call it oxygen. So what people breathe out, here we call it carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is the air that human or animal breathe it out, and oxygen is the air that human or animal breathe it in. Okay, so that is the first thing. And also the factories in big cities, okay, make a lot of carbon dioxide. So this carbon dioxide goes to planets, right? So plants here helps people to breathe and helps to clean the air by taking the carbon dioxide that goes from people and factories to clean the air. So, number 2, the green plants take carbon dioxide and turn it to oxygen that we breathe. The plant cells take carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. So the first one here, the green plants take carbon dioxide and turn it to oxygen that we breathe. That's right. So when I told you before that plant helps us to breathe, that's what I meant. It takes the carbon dioxide from the air and turn it to oxygen, so that oxygen we can breathe in and live. So it's very important for us. It really helps us to breathe, okay, and take what we give out or what we breathe out, what it is, yes, carbon dioxide, to make food for the plant, okay. So that is very important. We have this process between the plants and the humans, or the plants and the animals, really important, okay, to make us live in a clean air. So number 3, in some cities like Paris and Milan, people grow plants in their apartment buildings, which makes the building cool and helps with air pollution. So in some cities like Paris and Milan, and these cities in Europe, okay, people there grow or pot flowers and plants to their apartments or in the balcony, and it gives that beautiful looking to the building, okay. And when we pot their plants, these plants, like I said before, helps us to breathe and helps to clean the air from carbon dioxide, okay, and gives us what? Gives us oxygen. That's right. So that is why planets are important to clean the air from the pollution, okay. It takes carbon dioxide and turn it to oxygen. Okay, so let's have some questions here. The first questions will be choose the correct answer. Number 1, tomatoes are yellow, pink, green, blue before they are red. Green. 2, the root, leaf, shoot, flower grows under the soil. Roots. 3, chloroplasts make the plants red, green, black, orange. Green. 4, some seeds can air, fly, fry, float on water to find a new place to grow. Float. Number 5, people need pollution, oxygen, carbon dioxide, reeds to breathe. Oxygen. Number 6, plants take carbon dioxide, oxygen, reeds pollution from the air. Carbon dioxide. So let's move to another kind of questions here, complete from the box. We have 8 words. First, wind, breathe, polluted, chloroplasts, carbon, taller, biggest, shortest. Question number 1. The sunflower is the flower. Biggest. Number 2. The plant is very, very small. Chloroplasts. Number 3. People need oxygen to breathe. Number 4. Some seeds move in the wind. Number 5. The plant cells need dioxide to make food. Carbon. Number 6. The rose is than daisy, taller. Number 7. The daisy lives the shortest. Okay, thank you for your patience until the end. I hope you got enjoyed with the video and learned something new. Hope you all the success in your life. Thank you and goodbye.